Okay, so this picture plant has a designation of H02. In looking at the plant, I see that this picture here is going to, it may not crowd out, so I'll just leave it for now. But there is a little picture developing all the way back here that may get in the way. See, there's a few in there. You can see. So what I will do is take a pair of tweezers and remove the pictures. And if you're looking down here, it's good. Little tiny picture here, pretty insignificant seed. This one here is kind of twisted already, so I'm not going to let it develop. And if I were to spread this open, you can see that there's a browned out picture in the back. So I need to remove that gently. And I don't think I want this developing either. And this one, I'll remove that as well. I think there's one up here as well, so I'll remove that too. And there's one tucked way down here in between these two pictures, which will not develop well, so I'll remove that. This one I will leave. This one here may not develop well either. Well, it will develop well, but it is going to be on top of all the pictures. And then there's one little tiny one here, if you can see, which I will also remove. So one of the things with Cephalotus growing in this format is they will develop many growing tips. If you let every single growing tip grow and develop pictures, what you'll have is a really bushy plant with a ton of little tiny pictures. So by removing pictures as they're growing, sometimes I would even remove the growing tips, encourages fewer and larger pictures to develop. So here's another one. And in time, as I see older pictures decline with signs of age, like these drying section here, turning yellow, I may elect to just remove them to make way for the new pictures pushing their way through in the background. So having removed all of those, and I don't see anything else at this time that I would need to remove, I'm going to feed this with that dilute C-Max and kelp extract solution. Just a little bit for each pitcher, not a lot. Again, even if the dilution is weak, you do not want to accidentally overfeed these pitchers because they will die. And then to top it off, I just use regular distilled water and fill it to the collar. And that's it for this pitcher's weekly inspection. Thank you for watching.